Hey guys, this is 3Y. Welcome to the final episode of our YIWU International Trade City series. Today we're breaking down everything about YIWU's brand new Zone 6. We'll also cover the full layout of October's YIWU Fair, plus optimized visiting routes and the latest wholesale sourcing trends. Stick around till the end. You'll master YIWU's newest sourcing hub and this year's biggest second-half B2B trade show in one video. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know the basics. Zones 1 to 4 are mature professional wholesale markets. They have extremely segmented product categories. But they have one obvious downside. You have to travel back and forth between different zones to source different goods. It wastes a lot of your precious time. One-stop bulk sourcing is almost impossible in those old zones. That's exactly why YIWU built the brand new Zone 6. It is not just a simple expansion of the old markets. It is a government-backed modern flagship trading zone. It's built for YIWU's long-term industrial upgrading. Right now, Zone 6 has the most complete product lines in YIWU. It also has the largest number of direct factory showrooms. It fits cross-border sellers and high-end wholesale buyers perfectly. It works totally differently from those traditional old markets. I will walk you through every key point today. We'll talk about its market layout, core sourcing strengths, and future trends. We'll also cover its official connection with YIWU Fair and common sourcing pitfalls. All content comes from my real on-site market visits. If you plan to source goods in YIWU later, save this video right now. First, overall layout and market profile of Zone 6. Zone 6 is the newest and most high-end market across YIWU. It adopts a full modern design. It has smooth and visitor-friendly walking paths. The aisles are wide and comfortable. Its logistics and supporting facilities beat all older zones easily. It drops the old rigid single-category zoning rule. It uses a full-category integrated layout. There are no complicated floor-based category limits here. You can find daily necessities, trendy creative goods, and textile accessories here. It also covers small hardware, home goods, and viral trending products. Cross-border general goods and large factory direct showrooms are also available. To put it simply, Zone 6 gathers all hot-selling and high-demand goods from Zone 1 to Zone 4. Both product quality and merchant quality have been fully upgraded. There are three main types of merchants inside Zone 6. First, reliable top wholesalers moved from old markets. Second, official direct factory showrooms. Third, new cross-border brand stores focusing on new item launches. It supports small batch sample checking and bulk wholesale orders. It also handles large-scale B2B foreign trade deals. Overall, it brings you a much better sourcing experience. 1. 3 key sourcing advantages of YIWU Zone 6. Number 1. True one-stop sourcing, no more pointless runs. Most buyers hate running between different market zones. You go to Zone 4 for socks, Zone 1 for jewelry, Zone 2 for hardware. You waste half a day just on the road. But Zone 6 changes this trouble completely. All hot consumer goods and cross-border trending items are gathered in one place. You can finish all product screening within one single day. This design is super efficient for overseas buyers with limited travel time. Number 2. High proportion of direct factories, newest products first, lower MOCs. This is Zone 6's biggest advantage. All newly viral products launch in Zone 6 first. It updates much faster than all old market zones. A large number of factory showrooms stay here directly. There are no middlemen adding extra prices. So you can get genuine factory direct costs. Besides, Zone 6 is still in the customer expansion period. Vendors here accept more flexible order demands. They won't stick to high minimum order quantities like old market sellers. Small trial orders and mixed batch orders are both welcomed. It suits new buyers, cross-border sellers, and physical store owners perfectly. Number 3. Full modern supporting services, one-stop cross-border sourcing. Old markets always have scattered supporting services. You need to find extra logistics and customs teams outside the market after checking goods. But Zone 6 has full one-stop supporting services inside. It has independent negotiation rooms, professional warehousing and packaging services. Cross-border shipping and full customs clearance are also available here. You can finish sampling, negotiation, ordering, and shipment all inside Zone 6. No extra trouble is needed at all. 2. Future development trends of Zone 6. Do not simply regard Zone 6 as a bigger market. It is the core upgrading carrier for YIWU's whole trading industry. Now YIWU is upgrading its whole wholesale system. It shifts from low-cost messy wholesale to standardized, branded, and cross-border trading. With modern hardware and scientific walking routes, Zone 6 will become YIWU's top comprehensive sourcing center in the future. More global buyers and top factories will keep moving into Zone 6. It will become YIWU's international business window. Its trade volume and industry influence will keep growing year by year. If you want long-term stable supply in YIWU, focus closely on Zone 6. 3. Must-know guide, October YIWU International Commodities Fair and official linkage with Zone 6. Now let's talk about the biggest B2B event this fall. That is the October YIWU International Commodities Fair, also called YIWU Fair. It is a must-attend show for every global sourcing and foreign trade businessman. Here are key facts about YIWU Fair. It is YIWU's largest and highest-level national B2B exhibition all year long. It ranks among the top commodity trade shows worldwide. It attracts tens of thousands of professional global buyers every year. It is far more valuable than ordinary small trade exhibitions. Many buyers don't know this year's official exhibition layout. It adopts a dual-site linkage mode. It connects the main exhibition center and Zone 6 together. Let me clarify their different roles clearly. The main exhibition center lies in YIWU International Expo Center. It focuses on new product releases and factory face-to-face negotiations. It also supports large bulk order deals and annual industry trend analysis. It is the best place to connect with original manufacturers. And Zone 6 is the official designated offline stock backup zone for YIWU Fair. Most exhibition booths have no spot goods and refuse small trial orders. You can visit Zone 6 right after the fair. You can check real product quality and place small trial orders here. It perfectly fixes all shortages of traditional trade shows. Here is the most efficient visiting route for all B2B buyers. First, visit YIWU Fair to catch the latest industry trends and meet factories. Then head to Zone 6 to check real stock and confirm product quality. You can place formal orders directly in Zone 6. Combine the exhibition and the new market and maximize your sourcing efficiency. 4. Practical sourcing tips and risk avoidance for Zone 6. This video fits these groups best. Cross-border sellers, live streaming supply chain teams, and physical store owners. Also foreign trade companies that hate running between scattered old market zones. Order rules here are much more flexible than old zones. Free samples, small trial orders, and bulk price locking are all available. New buyers will never face high mock pressure. One critical risk reminder for you. Even though Zone 6 is a brand new market, do not ignore safety checks. Always verify merchant business qualifications first. Confirm return and after-sales policies clearly before ordering. Finish all large payments via official market channels only. This can fully protect your overseas transactions. Full series wrap-up of YIWU Trade City. This episode wraps up our full YIWU Trade City series. Let me make a quick and clear category recap for you. Zone 1, toys, jewelry, crafts, and festival supplies. Zone 2, hardware, electronics, small home appliances, tools, and auto electric parts. Zone 3, stationery, eyewear, office supplies, sporting goods, and beauty accessories. Zone 4, socks, hats, underwear, scarves, and other knitted apparel goods. Zone 6, integrated full category goods, factory direct showrooms, one-stop sourcing, YIWU's future core sourcing hub. All 6 episodes are based on real on-site market rules. We cover market overview, zone guides, sourcing skills, and transaction risk avoidance. No exaggerated content, no misleading tips at all. If you learn all these guides, you can avoid over 90% of sourcing mistakes in YIWU. One last important reminder. I will stay on site during the whole October YIWU fair. I will update real-time visiting routes and hot trending products. I will also share factory negotiation tips and insider wholesale prices. Hit subscribe and turn on notification bells. Grab first-hand sourcing info ahead of other buyers. Let's seize great sourcing chances together this autumn. Our YIWU Market Sourcing series officially ends here today. I will keep posting global trade show guides and cross-border sourcing tips later. If this video helps your business, leave a like and subscribe. See you in my next video.